Jenna and Dale are young parents, and they believe that they and their babies are on the same page. They are not. And sometimes this happens.
Oh, look at you, all not washed and cold.
Right, we got this. We're just taking a break. Oh no.
Introducing the new Earmo Smart Thermometer, a doctor and a thermometer in one device. The Earmo Smart Thermometer can detect...
Got it.
Oh, it just did.
Oh, that can't be right.
Yep, it literally takes 1 second. And you can clearly see the temperature through Earmo's sleek LED display.
I got it.
By swiping your finger, you can see the previous temperatures.
That can't be right.
The data is instantly transferred onto your phone, where you can compare her current temperature with her past records. And if you're unsure about her symptoms, you can consult the app.
Babe, I think she has I can't pronounce it, but it seems serious.
And if you want an easy confirmation, simply send the data from the app to her family physician. With a quick confirmation from her doctor, Jenna is feeling pretty good about herself and about Earmo. And with Earmo, you can check your child's temperature anytime, anywhere.
Okay, yeah, it's happening again.
The Earmo Smart Thermometer won't turn you into an amazing parent overnight, but it might make your life just a little bit easier.
Daddy, I think you're sick.
Being a mom is not easy, especially if you're breastfeeding and managing a career. Today, I'd like to make it easier for you. This is Anya. She's the reason I'm making this video. I can't stop working because I like living in a house and having food on the table, but I don't want to compromise my daughter's well-being as well, so I don't want to stop breastfeeding, whether I'm at home or in an important meeting. That's why milk pumping machines were invented, so that someone else, my husband for example, could pitch in. But there's one huge problem. Most of them suck only up to 60% of the milk because their suction cups are designed like this. Does this look like it imitates the suction of a baby? I don't have enough milk for the bottle after Anya is finished eating. My body doesn't accelerate the milk production because 40% of the milk is still left inside my breasts. So my body thinks there's too much milk inside my breasts and reduces the milk production. Sometimes Anya gets hungry and mad, and I'm frustrated because I can't do anything to help her. I looked for a pumping machine that would pump 100% of my milk, but I couldn't find one. After hours of research, I came up with a way to make the existing pumping machines better. I met up with a genius engineer who has already designed more than 30 patents and challenged him to design one for me. 6 months later, meet Annabella. Annabella is a pumping machine that draws close to 100% of mother's milk because it actually simulates a baby's sucking motion. This spherical part under the main opening contains a mechanism which imitates a baby's tongue, and the upper part enables power and grip adjustment, just like a real muscle system. It has a unique patent-pending mechanism which makes you feel like a real baby is sucking the milk. The pace and the intensity can be adjusted. It's user-friendly, washable, quiet, and small. You can charge it and easily take it with you. We made sure that the production process is also simple to make Annabella affordable. Our concept has been validated by breastfeeding experts, as well as a respected pediatrician. It solved the problems I was experiencing as a first-time breastfeeding mother. It has one part that needs to be washed, and it's designed to connect with almost any bottle type. The battery allows you to pump several times before needing to charge it again. We are currently developing an app which will monitor the amount of milk pumped and recommend the optimal pace and intensity of the process.
Cozy covers were designed for moms on the go who want their babies protected, warm, and secure without the hassle of bulky baby clothes or thick onesies. On frozen winter mornings or chilly summer evenings, the Cozy cover keeps your baby protected from the elements in ultra-soft comfort. Cozy covers are universally engineered with a shower cap design to fit all standard baby carriers. Each Cozy cover also features dual zippers for easy access and seals your baby into durable, weather-proof protection. Cozy covers do not interfere with any of the child safety straps and keep your baby snuggled in warmth on cold winter mornings while your car is still in that deep freeze. You might need that jacket, but your baby doesn't. Just zip up your baby's Cozy cover and off you go. With lots of color options available, you can keep your baby carrier looking fashionable all the time. The Cozy cover, making your baby's carrier his or her favorite place to be while you're on the go.
Being a new parent is exhilarating and exhausting. It's full of wonder and worry.
You know, you never know what to do with a newborn when you bring them home.
This whole experience about being a mom is unlike anything anybody can prepare you for.
We developed the smart changing pad to make it easy to track your baby's weight, feedings, diaper changes. All the information syncs to your phone, so you can see how your baby is growing. Tell how much your baby nurses during a feeding, and keep track of how much your baby's sleeping.
I was really anxious about whether I was making enough milk, but after using the smart changing pad, it showed me that I was actually producing more milk nursing than I was pumping. I was so relieved.
Checking my baby's weight as part of our regular routine gives me comfort that my baby's okay. Since my babies were born, I tracked pretty much everything. Diaper changes, how long they slept, how much they ate, and what's great about the Hatch Baby app is it keeps it all in one place.
I just went back to work and I was really worried about the transition. But then when I got a notification at work, it made me feel connected to him again.
You'll know your baby's growing. You'll know your baby's healthy. And that means more time for the good stuff. The Smart Changing Pad from Hatch.